Hi everyone, my name is Karen and this is my husband David and this is Chosen Impressions Farm. In today's video we are going to be showing you how we got started in this lovely garden behind us and the steps that we have taken to build our raised beds. Before this area looked like this, there was a giant pile of mulch that was sitting for over a year. There was a fence and there was a shed. So come along with me to see it all.
Do what?
I wanted to see how they took it. That's really cool.
Yeah. Oh. But I'm so glad you're here. Let me show you something. That yellow line up there, that's the power source.
Okay. And well, this looks pretty empty now. But hey, that right there is going to be a great spot for my greenhouse. Obviously we got to take out all of the other stuff, but it has power and a water source. So that would be a great spot. As I mentioned, we had this giant pile of mulch sitting here for over a year. We had originally asked for mulch to be dropped over at our house because we did some raised beds, which I have shown you before, and I wanted to fill those up with mulch at the bottom. Now this mulch has been here. The chickens have been scavenging through this whole entire pile of mulch. It's been rained on, it's gotten heavy sun, heavy everything. So the purpose is to use this mulch to also plant with it and make this whole entire area as just a in-ground garden. And then we can layer compost and other things to use this mulch.
Amor, va de ti.
Yeah. We have a bunch of trees on our property, so we decided let's just grab a few straight ones, cut them down, and use them as the edges of our slightly raised beds. On day one, we were so excited that we carried a few of these trees by hand. They were way too heavy, so we decided let's get the tractor and let's haul the rest of these trees over there because it was too much. So, better idea, and we hauled it and it was easy and perfect.
quede como centradito, ¿no?
Ajá. Está más para allá que para acá. Ahí.
Ahí. Las camas las voy a hacer a 4 pies. Voy a hacer 2 camas grandes de 4 pies. Entonces voy a cortar aquí 4 pies. Me daría acá. 4 pies sería este de acá. Cuatro pies. Ven. Ahora sí quedó.
So like he said, we're making them 4 feet wide. The length is actually 25 feet long by 4 feet wide.
Esta es mi 9 milímetros. Ahora mismo en el huerto que estamos armando, en este huerto que estamos armando, voy a sembrar una flor que es espectacular, huele delicioso, es bellísima, Monrovia. Bueno, se llama Monrovia, muy bonita, no sé el nombre en español, pero lo voy a traducir. Voy a sembrarlo para empezar a atraer lo que son a las reinas de la naturaleza, que son las abejas, para que cuando tenga lo otro sembrado, que esté preparado para que me estén polinificando todo el huerto. Aquí ya tengo preparado un hueco, lo tengo, ya está con compost. Entonces vamos a sembrarla. Ven para acá, mi amor. Mire qué hermosura. Puede ver. Qué bruno. Bueno, así va quedando. Está quedando parejito. Lo mismo voy a hacer con los que están allá. Mira los que lindos.
This is what the garden is looking like right now. We're done with the beds. I have gone ahead and planted in here as well. I will show you what I'm planting in another video, but here's where we're at so far. Thank you so much for joining us in this video. I hope you enjoyed. Please like and subscribe to our channel, and we do have other videos that you can catch up on the next slide. God bless you. Bye. Once again, thank you for watching. If you'd like to see more of us, there are some videos here you can click. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell notification so that you are notified whenever we upload our next video. God bless.